how to connect Godaddy domain to Ecwid. So the first step is to simply go to Ecwid and log into your account. Then simply go to website and click on domain, and in the domain name and site address block, click on connect existing domain. Then in the specify a domain name field, enter your custom domain without the www, and then click on next step, and then you'll see a pop-up that contains an IP address. Copy that IP address. You need to set up your domain in your registered account, so in our case GoDaddy, and then click on save. So simply copy that IP address, and then you're gonna have to simply log into your GoDaddy account, and then you're gonna have to simply go to my products page. In the domain section, find the domain you want to connect to your Ecwid store and click on it, then click on DNS, and in the DNS records, you're gonna have to simply enter the IP address that we just copied earlier, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.